Now let us see about the viewport controls that are displayed at the top left corner of each viewport. These ones here. The viewport controls provide a convenient way of changing views, visual styles, and other settings. We can click within each of these three bracketed areas to change the settings. As you can see, there are three of them. First one is here with the negative sign. It provides access to multiple viewport configurations, several viewport tools, and the display options of the current view in a layout. If you click on it, a list of options appears. As you can see, a list of options appears, which are as follows. The first option says Restore Viewport. If you click on this one, it divides the screen into more viewports. As we can see, our screen is now divided into more viewports. To go back into full screen, click on this plus icon and then maximize the viewport. Now select maximize the viewport, and as we can see, it goes back into the initial full screen. The second option says viewport configuration list. This one allows you to change the viewport configuration. If you click on it, it displays another list of options to the right. You can select any option to set a viewport configuration you like. For example, if you select the second option, which is too vertical, this one, you see that the screen is divided into two. To go back into full screen again, click into the plus icon, then select viewport configuration list, and then select single. From there, the remaining option are view cube. Steering wheel, and navigation bar. These three options here. You can uncheck the boxes to temporarily remove the view cube and navigation bar from the screen. For instance, if you uncheck the view cube box, you can see the view cube disappears from the screen. You can go back and check it again to see that the view cube reappears on the screen. You can also select the steering wheel option to display the steering wheel. As you can see, the steering wheel is displayed this one here. Now the other thing is the custom view, which can also be referred to as view controls. This one enables you to choose between several standard custom views in 3D projections. This one here. Click on it to see a list of options, and then you click any of the first 10 options to select the view you want. For example, click on the northeast isometric, and there it changes.